Hello. I've got my beard t-shirt on again, which I always seem to wear.
Never washes it.
No, it's dirty. Welcome to Narrowboat Precious Jet. So this is our holiday week again.
Again?
Again, yeah, so they've allowed us another holiday, which is great. So we're just at the bottom of Lapworth Lock Flight, a place called Lowsonford. Lowsonford. And then we're heading down now to Stratford. So we're going to head down down through the locks here, not rushing, a couple of days between here and Stratford. And then once we get down to Stratford, hopefully we'll get onto the River Avon and perhaps go round to Evesham and maybe even Tewkesbury if we've got time. So join along, hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed then please consider it, much appreciate it, and also don't forget to comment down below. Do love your comments. For me that's the best part of the videos. I mean, I love making the videos just for the making them, but I love your comments also. Okay, take care, see you in a bit.
See you, bye.
Right, first off we need to go down and set the locks, so let's go down and sort the locks out now and, well, lock. I'm not going to do more than one because the other one's a bit further away. So I'm going to go down and set the lock and then go back, cast off and make a start. I'm going to stop down here and get some water. Yeah, just here. So I think we're going to be here for about an hour. It's a nice fast fill, but the tank's very empty. We'll see how we get on. Okay, so we've got water now. nice steady cruise down to the next lock. I think we'll probably do 2 or 3 locks. I don't think we'll go very far. Yeah, we'll take a nice cruise, nice steady cruise down, see how far we do get, and then we'll just stop when we get bored or when we get, you know, just had enough. Yeah, nice afternoon cruising. So this morning, before we started cruising, we went up, took the car over to Hatton, and we gave Gareth and Lou from Cruising Crafts a hand up through Hatton locks. So I'll show you a little clip of that. I've only got a little bit of a clip of that, so, and I think it's landscape, portrait mode rather than landscape, so never mind. But I'll show that now. Now most of you know that whenever I cruise, normally I'm single-handed, and that would be a right pain in the arse. Fortunately today though, I've got Lady PJ to do the locks for me, so yeah, if I was on my own that'd be an absolute ball ache, that would. I could still get in and still do it, but it'd just be a pain. Never mind. Never mind, eh? Just come up to lock 34. It's a nice little footpath and a stream under the canal, look. How pretty is that? And how nice is this? It's like a little, well it is, it's a little aqueduct over the river. How nice is that? And then you've got the lock straight after, look. That's amazing. Okay, so we're 6 locks in so far. I think we're going to do another 1 lock today, and then we're going to look at mooring up for the night. That's a rather large extension onto the lockkeeper's cottage. I can't see or hear what you're saying. Oh, okay. Lady PJ's dropping down the lock, or dropping down the paddle and closing the lock. Just filming the swan. Just casually filming the swan.
Hey, you're
Anyway.
filming me in the t-shirt.
Oh yeah, you got your dirty
spilt my tea all
Yeah,
over.
well, you know, watch where you're going. Oh, you know, if you stand in the way of the steerer, you get bumped.
No. You just smack me in the face like that. Get out of the way, woman.
Treat 'em mean, keep 'em keen, don't they say?
I don't think I'm keen.
I don't think I'd treat you mean either.
No.
I'd get a punch in the
I
head.
don't think you dare.
No, I'd get a punch in the head. It's been a
So
beautiful...
who comes along and wraps tape round the obstacles?
The tape man. The red and white tape man. There's a special man who gets paid just to come around with red and white tape.
Wow.
If you stand still long enough, he'll wrap it around your head. It's been a lovely day, hasn't it? It's been a lovely afternoon.
Yeah, it's nice that today started off dull
Yeah.
and cloudy.
Yeah, nice and cool.
So to do pattern was that was perfect weather.
Yeah, we helped Gareth and Lou up pattern this morning. I think I've told you that already.
Yes, and I've already got in mind looking at what they've got on offer. So
Oh, have you? You've been on their site already?
No, not yet. But
Oh,
I will
okay.
Be, no, I'll be looking
Yeah.
at copper jewellery.
So we're going to go when they're at the Black Country Way. I think it's a Black Country Festival or something.
Black Country, but
Yeah, we're going to go up there and go and have a look. Go and have a cup of tea with them and purchase some of their wares. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers.
Thanks.
Okay, we're underway. We had a mad 5 minutes with the dog. He got off the boat and wanted to play, so we got his ball out and he had a play. Then he went for a little paddle in the canal and came back absolutely filthy, so we had to wash his feet off. But we're underway now anyway, so we're off and moving. So we're not going to rush, we're just going to take a nice steady slow cruise down towards Stratford. Most of it will be on tick over like we are now, maybe slightly above, but not much above the speed we're doing now. Nice and gentle. Okay. So this is the Iron Trough Aqueduct, or one of them. That's the A3400. And the Iron Trough, well, the towpath sits at the same depth as the canal bed. So you're down in the water, look, you're down below the water. So it seems strange to have the boat really high up in the air like that. Gosh, need to do some painting. Right, let's carry on then, shall we? Lovely. We'll turn the camera around in a minute and get you a view down the side. See down there, somebody's lost a multicoloured umbrella down on the railway track. We've got Lady PJ filming us from behind. We're slowly zigzagging our way across the bridge because I'm filming, I'm not looking where I'm going. Okay, so that's the end of the Edstone Aqueduct. Fabulous. We're going to pull over now because there's a boat behind us and we only go slow and it's unfair to keep them if they want to go quickly. So we're going to pull over, let them go past, and then we'll take a nice steady cruise down into Stratford.
food now.
Oh, it's about to be really
Alright, baby. Up, Harry.
Blackened berries. Wood shop.
Nice shit.
Wood shop shop.
Shit. Big shit.
Yeah.
Looks empty.
Don't think it is. Well, it might be, I don't know.
The door's boarded up, look.
Yeah. But if they're doing all a load of work inside, I suppose they would, wouldn't they? You know? So we're at lock 45, which is 6 locks in for us on this 11 lock flight. We've now got a lockie helping us down, which is nice, because Yvonne doesn't drive the boat, and because these gates are quite heavy, she struggles with her arthritis in her wrists. So we've got a lockie helping us now, which will speed things up greatly. So hopefully by the time we get to each lock, we can just pretty much go straight in, which would be great. So, yeah, we're doing well. We're getting there slowly. There's no rush because it's just gone 12:15 now, so we're in no massive rush. We'll be in Stratford in an hour or so, and that'll be perfect. We can stop and have lunch and go and do a bit of shopping. It'll be great. Okay. So we've just got 3 more locks to do now before we reach the outskirts of Stratford. And I can just see the traffic on the A46 through the trees. So that's the 11 locks done down into Stratford. There's 5 more to do now to get down into the basin, but we're on the outskirts of Stratford, so if we find anywhere here to moor now that's nice, away from the main road, I'll be happy with that. If we go all the way to the basin, then so be it. If we don't, so be it. I think we're going to stop in a minute and have a lunch anyway, and have a wander with the dogs, and then if the weather's nice later, if it's not too bad, we'll carry on down into Stratford and have a bit of a nose round in the town centre. Just coming through Stratford. That bridge behind us, very low. That one there, had to take my chimney off because it was so low. But 3 more locks and we'll be in the basin. If we do 4 locks, we're on the river. But we've got to get a river licence before we can go on the river, so I'll probably get a licence for a couple of days. I'll see what there is when we get down there. So we're just at lock 53 now. The last lock couldn't get the gate to shut at the bottom. We could shut it, but then it just swing automatically straight open again. There was another boat coming down, so I'm assuming they put some water in to hold it shut. And then this lock, gate was open, paddle open, everything open. Yeah, never mind, eh? It's all sent to try us, I think. So let's carry on. Lock 53.